friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys how can we unpair our Bluetooth earbud to our phone. Guys, you want to unpair guys your Bluetooth earbuds. So how can you unpair in this video friends? I am going to show you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to unpair guys your Bluetooth earbud. So when scroll it, friends, you can see phone Bluetooth setting. Friends, click here, and friends, you can see guys we have paired guys this paid on AWS company earbud, and guys we want to unpair. So guys, how to unpair it in this video I will show you. So when right side you can just icon guys tap here. Guys, you can see device name. You want to change device name, you can change disconnect. You want to disconnect. Guys, we want to unpair. So guys tap here to unpair. So a earbud will unpair to our phone. Then guys you cannot use guys your Bluetooth earbud guys you want to use, so you will have to pair again. So like that guys you can unpair your Bluetooth earbud to your phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. We will meet on next video. Before going, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye bye friends.